Welcome back to another Hey Birdie video. My name is Bird and I'm a mom to 3 amazing kids. I've got Gavin, Tate, and Reese. Tonight I'm going to be sharing my evening skincare routine with you, and I'm going to thank you in advance for dealing with and putting up with my nasty self. I seem to have picked up a bit of a bug over the weekend. I just took the kids to Great Wolf Lodge in Scottsdale, Arizona to celebrate Gavin's 10th birthday. So it would be totally awesome if you would leave him a comment down below just to say happy birthday. I'm sure he will get a big kick out of that. I'll throw in some pictures for you guys. But anyway, I seem to have caught a bug from there, and just thanks for, this. Moving on. As you guys know, I am now a single mom, and sometimes being a single mom, even not being a single mom, you could definitely benefit by supplementing your income. Right now, I am all for supplementing my income. So I recently just started my own skincare business with Rodan & Fields. I have been a customer for a couple of years now, and I have actually contemplated the business side prior to this. I definitely love the product, and I mean, results definitely sell themselves, right? Because if you guys haven't noticed, which I'm sure you have, I have been developing these lovely fine lines right here, and because I do this all the time, I am now getting these forehead lines as well. Also, I have fairly large pores and have had large pores since I was a teenager, which are prone to getting clogged and dirty and gross. These products have been working really well for me, but I've actually also added in a few new things that I've never tried before, and I'm really excited to see the results. So if you are interested in either the business side or any of these products, I will definitely leave links in the description box below for both of them. But let's just get into my normal skincare routine. So normally I would use makeup cleansing or removing wipes first, but because I have been sick under the weather, I am skipping that step, haven't worn any makeup, so I'm just going to start by rinsing my face with warm water to open up all of the pores so they can get properly cleansed.
And I really just like to pat my skin during this process instead of rubbing the washcloth across my face.
Almost like you are pressing the water into your pores. So the regimen that I have been using currently and for the past year and a half or so has been the Redefine. If you follow the skincare link in the description box down below, that will actually take you to finding out which regimen is best suited for you and your skincare needs. And this particular cleanser for this line has a bit of an exfoliating grit to it, which in the past I typically tend to break out with anything like that. I think because my pores are so large that the grit kind of stays in there, but I don't seem to have a problem with this at all. But I like to rub it around and really just use the circular motions to exfoliate the dead skin, because I have very dry skin and it definitely needs to be exfoliated.
So I'm gonna let this sit for 2 minutes. I don't wait 2 minutes 2 times a day. So anyway, just throwing that out there. Okay, it has been about 2 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off. And with smoother cleansers, I would use cool water to rinse off, but because my skin, like I said, does have large pores and this cleanser does have a grit to it, and because I don't want to lock the little grit pieces into my pores, I'm still going to use warm water to rinse this off. So step 1, cleanse, is complete, and last week I had added a step after the cleansing. I was using this pore cleansing tool, I guess you should say, which comes with 2 different types of little sucking heads here. You've got the blackhead remover and then just the regular cleansing tool.
Anyway, I really did love using this last week, but I'm gonna change it up a bit. But I'm skipping that step this week. I'm gonna just kind of let my skin breathe a bit, take a break, and go back to just like my normal basic regimen, which I will show you tonight. And then next week, I'm going to be adding this tool right here, and this is the one that is going to
take care of these fine lines all over my face. And after you use the little tool, you basically treat your skin to a lovely little serum here. You just break these little capsules open and apply them to your skin, and this is what will promote like new skin growth, new healthy skin growth. So not only will this help with the fine lines, but acne scars as well. So I'm very, very eager to try this out. Step 2 is the toner. So I just use a regular cotton round. I think I just got these like at Target or Walmart or something like that. But
I absolutely love this product. This is a hydration serum, and this stuff basically is like a magnet to moisture and will bring it all into your skin and let it just drink all day. So I usually just use a very, very small amount, definitely not a whole dropper's worth. That is probably it, just one tiny little drop, and I will put it in like these 2 or 3 fingers, and I'll start around my eyes first, and then I just kind of like dot it around, then rub it in, and a little bit really does go such a long way, which is amazing. I mean, who doesn't like to conserve their products? Like, this is awesome. And if you guys were not aware, your ring fingers are your absolute weakest fingers, and you need to really use those to your advantage around your eyes. Because they're so weak, it makes it very, very gentle on your eyes. And now you need to give the magnet something to attract. So you want to moisturize after that. And the regimen comes with both an AM and a PM. So it is nighttime, so I will be using the PM. The AM just has an SPF in it, and the PM is more of a restorative cream. This is how it comes in the little pot. And again, I'm just gonna use my ring finger and just kind of apply. With the moisturizer,
I don't typically go all the way up into my eyes, just kind of my higher cheek area, and still using my middle finger for that area as well. But then
finishing it off, this is a multifunctioning eye cream. Can we like focus here? Come on. Okay, there we go. So I'm just gonna use that again with the middle finger, or the ring finger.
So I'm just gonna put that right on my eyes. I'm gonna put a little bit on my upper eyelid. Another thing is that on your eyes, because your natural body heat kind of melts the product in itself, I don't really, and your product can shift quite a bit downward and into your eye. And I have very, very, very sensitive eyes. I also wear contacts, and my eyes are also prone to getting very, very dry. So I just kind of only put things on the top portion of my eyelid, knowing that my body heat is going to naturally shift all of that product downward and onto maybe this area of my eye right here that could probably really use the eye cream, but I don't want to put it actually on there because it could just melt down into my actual eye, and I don't want that. So that is it for my actual skincare, but there is one more product that I wanted to share with you, but it is the Lash Boost.
You just kind of paint it over your lashes, right on the line. And again, as I told you before, I have very, very sensitive eyes, and a lot of products seem to really bother my eyes. This absolutely does not bother my eyes in any way. That is my current skincare routine. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like routine type videos, definitely let me know by clicking the thumbs up or like button. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would absolutely love if you would do that now. So take just 1 second, click that subscribe button, and then clicking the little bell icon right next to it will notify you every time I upload new videos. I'm also working on a pretty big project that is just taking me a little bit of time getting everything all together, but I'm going to be launching a routine series on how to really develop routines that work for you, and just all kinds of different stuff based on routines and productivity. So if you're into that, definitely, again, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of those future videos. So again, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I thank you very, very much for taking the time to watch and hang out with me tonight. So I will see you in the next one. Bye!